how I have turned $2,500 into $12,800 in 12 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing, promoting new offer, new niche. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how in 5 minutes. Okay. So the first thing is this: if you're watching this and you are a beginner, maybe you have tried affiliate marketing with ClickBank and you have failed. I understand, and it's not your fault. The reason why is because if I were you, if I were a beginner right now, watching myself 10 years from now, I would say to myself, get someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step. It's very important. Why? Because if you are at home, you can do this without having to waste your time and money away, right? Most of the people, they go and buy $3,000 course. They watch 6 or 8 weeks long videos just to find out somewhere between 1 month to 2 months that the course doesn't work. It's outdated. It used to work because algorithm is changing every month. So the course is not up to date. So most people are struggling, and maybe you are one of them. Maybe you have tried courses, maybe you have tried affiliate marketing with different gurus on ClickBank, and you have found out, heck, I lost my time and money. So if you, in 2025, if you want to turn the new page, if you really want to get results without having to waste your time away, without having to set up everything alone by yourself, without being stuck, then this strategy can allow you, it will allow you to start having 300, 500, even $1,000 days. Why it's possible? Because you see, most people, especially newbies, are scared to invest money in themselves into, for example, Google ads, TikTok ads, or Facebook ads. The reason why is because they don't know that one customer, one sale can give you the whole entire budget back. What do I mean by that? For example, let's say you're running Google ads and you spend $50 in one day. One sale maybe can get you, with all the upsells, of course, can get you $300, even $500 in profit. So you have spent maybe $60 a day, but you have received $400 in affiliate commissions from one sale. Why? Because one customer bought the entire funnel. What do I mean by that? They bought front-end product, like ebook, for example, for $47. And then they bought a weight loss supplement or something else for $280. 3 bottles, 2 bottles, a bottle, right? So it's all about maximum lifetime average order, lifetime value or average order value, okay? Now you don't have to learn all this by yourself. As I said before, if you remember, you need only 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this without showing your face, without having to be in camera, okay? So that work really nice once you have someone who can show you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you exactly how this works. Okay? Thanks to ClickBank affiliate marketing, thanks to CPA affiliate offers, I'm able to travel all around the world. You see my Instagram, you see my Facebook, my YouTube. I travel to over 65 countries. Okay? Not to brag, but to show you what is possible. Maybe you can do something for your mother, for your father, maybe for your kids, for your spouse, for your wife, for your husband, I don't know, whoever you want to do something for. Take them on some nice vacations, spend more time with your family. All this is possible. This is why I love affiliate marketing. Why I'm being super affiliate, promoting other offers online. This is the reason why. And there is no competition once you do it the right way. Because all you have to do is you have to get someone with your landing page into the problem state, okay? So they're aware, okay, I have a problem, and now move them through your copy into the higher emotional state, which is solution mode, because everyone is only buying when they are in the solution state. So our job as an affiliate is to get people into the solution state with our pre-sale pages, with our copies, all right? So that's, my friend, what you have to know, learn, and understand, okay? You don't have to do it yourself. But you need someone who can help you, so you can once for all finally get up and running. So we can help you get up and running one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you to get you proven method results, especially in 2025. So if you want to install this method and duplicate the same system, that it will allow you to be able to spend more of time with your family, to travel around the world, maybe take extra vacation, maybe buy a new house or a car, whatever you want to do, right? thanks to affiliate marketing, I was able to do that. So as you watch this video, if you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025, you have my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, email, even free Facebook group. You can connect with me there, okay? So all the links are in the description below, and let me know.